Welcome to my live stream. This is just me live streaming for probably about, I don't know, 20 minutes or so, however long I decide to. Me live streaming and trading these crypto markets and my thoughts on them. And then you can watch this later if you'd like. But yeah, so basically, let me just get right into this here. People in my Discord. I'm live on YouTube. Just trying to let everybody know. Live on YouTube. Okay, cool. Alright, and if you like, you can go watch the video I made today. It's got this, teaches you all about candlesticks. But yeah, so you guys can go ahead and look at that now. Dropped my phone. Smooth down, smooth. But yeah, right now I'm holding Bela coin. Getting ready to decide whether or not I need to hop out of this trade at profit, and it's looking like I might need to. But honestly, yeah, there's just a lot of resistance in this area in the market. So let me switch to 15 minutes. There's just a lot of resistance in this area in the market, and it kind of looks like it's trying to go down. But obviously I'm not gonna close my position out because I'm holding this one for a few days at least, probably until it, unless it hits my stop loss I have set. If it hits my stop loss at 4,600 Satoshi, then I will be out of this position. But right now I'm just waiting to see. If we go to the 24 hours, last time it was at 4,600, is right here. So yeah, I'm just waiting to see if I'll probably actually just sell out around here if it comes back down to that range again, only because that way I'll come out with a nice profit. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and cancel this stop loss that I have set. Go to my trades, see where I bought. I bought at 510, so I bought at 5,010 Satoshi. Now I'm in the profit, so let's set my sell order of 0.00005, and I'm gonna go with, well, what are we at right now? 539. I'm gonna go with 500, so 5,100 Satoshi, and I'll sell it 5,105, and then okay, now I press sell. Basically what that did was my previous stop loss, let me just draw here and show you. My previous stop loss was right here, and my new stop loss is now right here. So basically, come on, tool, drawing tool, I believe in you. Okay, there we go. Yeah, so my new stop loss is right here. So that way I ensure profit, but it does have the potential to continue going up. So I just wanted to, hold on to the trade, but I'll sell out if it comes back down to here, because that would tell me that it's probably going to go down for a little while, since I'm already in profit in this trade. So yeah, Let me just go ahead and clear this up with a refresh. So yeah, I'm looking at it on trading view too, and you know, this is the Ichimoku signals. See, look how much this is getting pumped up right now. This is why I'm trading this coin right now. Is XMR long, can't see your chart. I'm dash. Oh yeah, shoot. Thank you guys. Yeah, that's embarrassing. I fixed the chart. Yeah, sorry about that. Yeah, that's embarrassing. So yeah, let's go back into Bela. Now I'm looking at the trading view right now, and I have an Ichimoku cloud at the indicator. Um, the indicator function turned on right now, and I'm seeing, you know, some areas right here that are saying it's gonna go up. Now this is Bela coin, like I said, so I'm just waiting for Bela right now to make an up move. I actually am still in profit, so let me show you these support and resistance zones that I was talking about um, now that I am back. So with the chart, let's see here. I'm just going to draw your support and resistance here. So based not support and resistance, my stop losses. Uh, anyways, so yeah, here's my last stop loss. That's where I had it before, and I bought in somewhere around here, and I'm in profit quite significantly now. So I set a new stop loss right here. So if this continues on the upside, then I keep making money, and I can set a new stop loss maybe right here. But I'm just riding this support and resistance on the way up as it increases in value. So that's basically what I'm doing right now in this cryptocurrency. Like I said, this is Bela coin, and I'm also using this Ichimoku cloud on TradingView with the bullish and bearish indicator signals. You can find this by going into indicators and type in Ichimoku, and then you can do the signals one, and that will bring up all of the different signals that are happening during that period of time. It can get a little overwhelming at times though to have too many, and it doesn't work quite as well in a smaller given period of time. Now this does look like it is moving up very nicely here though, and so far my trade, I'm pretty proud of my trade at where I got in at. It's nice to be making profit trading it. I actually mentioned this in my chat. If you guys would have, or if any of you guys are in my chat for my Discord, if any of you guys were watching, I pointed out, hey, look, Bela looks like it's doing really, really well. All indicators are pointing towards an up move. And that was earlier today. Let's see, what price did I post that at? That's at 5,010 Satoshi. So it's went up quite significantly since then. I also mentioned that I seen an up move coming right here back when it was at 4,900 Satoshi. So yeah, you can go to my Discord chat channel if you like. It's really, really cool. There's always people talking on there. Let's see, YouTube, let me come check there it is. Cool. Yeah, sorry about the chart not being there at the start of the video. I just completely spaced having the chart there. But yeah, if you guys, you know, I have my Discord right here. You just go to my channel, and then right here, Discord chat channel. You can click that right there. Make sure and subscribe if you're not. I greatly appreciate that. Now, yeah, so I'm just gonna go ahead and look here. at MAID for a second with these indicators on right now. Okay, so I'm actually looking for a down move in MAID. Now I'm getting a little overwhelmed with the Ichimoku that I have on right now, so I'm just going to do drawing tools, remove all drawing tools and indicators. Oh, remove all indicators or drawing tools. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and add the Ichimoku again, but just the Ichimoku, not the Alright, so the Ichimoku cloud and then the signal score. This is all I'm going to be using now. So the signal score is basically how many signals, if it's on the upside down here, that's how many signals towards a bullish trend there are, and if it's on the low side, that's how many towards a bearish trend there are. So you can see there. Now I've been using the Ichimoku a little bit, and I'm going to make a video on how to trade with the Ichimoku. It's really good for cryptocurrencies I found recently. Now, so yeah, I'm looking right here at MAID, and I'm looking for, basically what I'm looking for is this price movement to continue breaking down. So, I see that it looks like the bearish players have started to take over this market. There's a lot of things pointing right here towards a down move in the index of how good, of how many bullish or bearish signals there are. So I am going to go ahead and refresh this here. I'm going to go ahead and keep paying attention to this, because right now in the margin trading on my account, I just bought some Ethereum too, and I'll show you why I did that here in a second. Yeah, any questions you can put here, that's good, or on the Discord, that's also good. Anything that you want me to change or any issues, just let me know. Try to make this as high quality as I can. So yeah, I'm just waiting for this to push down right now. I'm gonna go ahead and remove all the drawing tools. Okay, so yeah, I'm just waiting for this to move down below this cloud, hopefully, and point towards a sell signal. Now Ethereum, I bought some Ethereum and I bought some XMR, and I went long on XMR. I put them into my margin account, so I'm using them as collateral, and I have XMR long position on right now because it looked like a good buy to me, and I'm using Ethereum because it also looked like a good buy. So I'm just like stacking all of these buys that I've been looking at. So as if Ethereum goes up, then I have more capital to trade. So basically, I'm holding long on Ethereum, holding long on XMR, and I have a short-term position short on Made Safe because it kind of looked like it was going to turn around today, and it's trending. So we'll see what happens on those. Right now, neither of them are in profit, but I'm definitely looking at that. I am still seeing a nice swing up right now here in Bela. That's something that I'm looking for. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put the simpler indicator on this one too. Ichimoku and signal score. Alright. So yeah. We do have a lot of what looks to be up support right now inside of the Bela coin market, and so I'm just gonna keep holding this until I see a real reversal in this trend. but I also have my stop loss and it's in profit already, so I'll be good either way. I'll draw a line where my stop loss is for you guys. So here's where my stop loss is. Oops. And so this is still profit for me since I bought in at right 5,010. Since I bought in right here. So, you know, it would still be profit if it closes out, but if this doesn't go clear down to that new stop loss that I set, since I realized I was profiting, I moved my stop loss up. Then if it doesn't go clear down to there, then I could make, you know, quite a bit off Bela continuing uptrending. So that's my current trade right now on Bela, that's what I'm day trading in the exchange. It's looking good. My Ethereum is looking good. My Dash, I sold all my Dash. Looks kind of, I haven't decided, you know, on when I'm going to buy in again and if I will, but I made enough profit for me to sell out. I didn't want to go anything crazy and risk my profit that I had already made. So I sold out on my Dash. But yeah, so I'm just gonna see if Bela keeps swinging up. It's looking really good, but you know, follow me on my social media outlets. I post little things where I think a crypto might swing up, you know, all the time on here, and when I think it might swing down. So it's important to be paying attention to that. Thank you. I appreciate it, Blot Burns. If I pronounced your name right, Bolt Burns. Thank you. Yeah, I appreciate that. Yeah, XMR, Tim, XMR really does like just work excellent as a long-term hold. I told people to buy, little story here. I was telling people to buy XMR. I said XMR will go to the moon, and I'll show you where I said this. This was when I had first started my channel, so all of the day one listeners would know. But any new listeners, like I said, I try and keep my predictions and stuff going. So if you guys want to get in on some of these things that I see, which will make you quite a bit of money, or can make you quite a bit of money, then I would be following me on social media and stuff like that, and just be watching my videos and telling your friends and stuff. That's all really appreciated. But I can, the bigger this community grows, the better it will be for all of us, because we'll see more and more things that we can do to improve the channel and improve the community. So basically, the growth of the community will help us all. Let me see here. Come on. Oh. This XMR graph is kind of being really laggy for me right now. You know what? Screw this. So I'm going to go ahead and go to XMR on here. Sometimes the Poloniex charts are... oh, shout out to Theodore Cariotis, who says, excellent intro, I follow you religiously. And just commented on my video, so that's cool. Yeah, no, I'm gonna just pull up the XMR chart here. Yeah, XMR is an incredible buy. So let me show you back when I was telling people at the start of my channel. Oh, see, you can even see all of the price analysis that I've done on it. Basically, I was telling people on my channel that XMR, I felt, was gonna moon right here. Do you see how I have these lines drawn? and this V shape drawn, these lines right here, I noticed this oscillation pattern, and I knew that that meant something big was coming. I didn't know what, I didn't understand why. I didn't even know, like, obviously I didn't have the news that it was coming to Alpha Bay. And then this huge bottom formation formed right here. This huge cupping bottom formation. Let me see if I can draw exactly what that is. How it goes up kind of like a bottomed out cup right there, or you know, really cut off edge of a circle. So if you can see that pattern form, then usually it means very, very, very bullish. Now, I noticed something big was happening around here, and I was telling people to buy. That's back when XMR coins were 0.002. So you could get them for really cheap, and it's gone up quite significantly since then. And I think that it is a great long-term hold. It's basically like Bitcoin. You can't really seem to go wrong with it. There has been a little bit of a recent downtrend, but it's really just in the support zones, and I still see nice uptrending overall inside of XMR. So, yeah, definitely want to keep your eye on. Now, Bitcoin. Bitcoin is going crazy. Dash is a scam. Yeah. That's very debatable. Probably, I hear it like there's a high probability that it's like legitimately a scam. Um, but yeah, so I'm seeing a nice up move in XMR overall, and ooh, my Bela trade is just keeps pumping up on me right now. That's good. I'm excited about that. Bitcoin is doing really nicely. I'll point out exactly what I'm seeing right now in the Bitcoin market. So basically, there's been steady trending. A double bottom formation right here. And a double bottom formation is always a really good sign as to a continuation of an uptrend. So we do have resistance in this zone right here, but we haven't hit it yet, so we don't know exactly what's going to happen. We've been following the cloud right here, this Ichimoku cloud right here, just followed it all along right there, founding support. It was only traded below the cloud for a few minutes, right, or for a little bit right here on February 25th. So I'm still seeing a huge upswing in Bitcoin, especially if the ETF gets approved. So that's basically what I'm waiting on, is when it hits this resistance level, what it's going to do, and if the ETF gets approved, because everything else looks good as far as a buy goes. So yeah, that's basically everything I have for you guys tonight. I appreciate your time, and thank you for watching. Let's see, I'll answer one more question for you. So what formation is XMR making right now? Okay, so that's an excellent question. Let me just clear on my drawing tools here, because okay, so what formation is XMR making right now? Well, I can tell you that a huge bullish signal is one that I can point out in my recent video. If you haven't watched my video on candlesticks, yeah, I'll answer a couple of these questions for you real quick before I go. But if you haven't seen my video on candlesticks, you can go ahead and watch that. And I'm making a video on the Ichimoku cloud, by the way, so watch out for that. Now, let's see, Google Documents. Let me just show you something here. Basically, what happened inside of XMR is a huge buy signal. This is one of the buy signals I like to look for. So let me just scroll over to it here. Do you see how this candlestick looks like that, where the green portion comes out above the red portion? That's a really, really big buy signal, and it's common too. It's actually like a standard trading buy signal. You can go ahead and read this, or if you know this if you watched my video earlier today. But if you go to my video earlier today, and you can come see this thing under candlesticks, then this is in the description of my newest video. But you go to candlesticks, and down here's some of the patterns that I look for. And right here, this is a bullish engulfing candlestick right here. So let me just draw around this. So right here, that's a buy signal. That's a bullish candlestick. Now, if you go to the XMR, that's the same thing that happened right here in XMR, is that bullish engulfing. So all this really is right here, it's still on an uptrend, is what I'm saying. All that really is right there is resistance, and all this really is right here is support. So I'm still seeing a nice up move inside of XMR. And so right now it's trading below the cloud a little bit. The cloud is this green and red thing in the background. You can use it as an indicator. But yeah, it's trading below the cloud. So I hope that this is I'm expecting, not hope. I'm expecting that this is a double bottom. I have my stop losses, of course. I'm expecting that's a double bottom, so that when it does in fact trade above the cloud again, whenever that is, whether it be along like this or just right up to it, once it starts trading above the cloud again, then I see just huge moves up in this coin. So long term, great investment. But yeah, so yeah, that's basically what I'm doing today and what I'm doing right now. The trades I've been looking at, I'm in profit on my trades, so I'm just gonna see where they go. Bitcoin's doing well. And yeah, so you guys have an excellent day. I appreciate you watching this. Stay tuned for next one. It will be on Monday again next week at 6 p.m. Mountain Time or Denver time, and I will be going over some stuff. Go ahead and email me, comment me, tweet at me, whatever you need to if you have any ideas for my next live stream. And yeah, as always, stay profitable. Thank you for watching, and you guys have great evenings.